Okay, today we're going to install a hydro shield that goes on the skeg of the boat, of the motor here. But first, in order for me to put this on here, I've got to grind off part of the skeg. It's just part that it can't be on there. So here's what I've got to grind off. I've got to take off this edge right here on both sides. And I called the manufacturer, talked to the guy, talked to the owner actually, and he said just grind this off so it's smooth with this here, and everything should work good. So let's get this going. Well, I got to charge the battery. Never fails. Alright, got another grinder. Well, looks pretty even. Might have to take some more down. I'm going to have to check it. I tightened these up and I shouldn't have. Supposed to make them loose. Just a little bit loose. There we go. So this slides up in here like so. It's got to be off this. Still a little hot. Okay. So let's grab our clamp. Let's clamp this on here. Alright. So now that the clamp is on there. Okay, so we're measuring. I've got a ruler here, right, that I slid down through here, and I'm laying it on the edge of this, the metal bracket right here, right? I'm laying it on that edge. So my clamp is in the way right now. And I'll show you here. So I'm laying it here, and I'm measuring from the top edge of this, okay, to the bottom edge of this, okay, and then I come up here and I go in line with this. I have to go in line with this. I can't go back there because it's different. And then I come down here and I make sure that this here is a half an inch shorter than here. So that's what I did. And then, as you can see down in here, my skeg is touching the bottom close to the front, it doesn't matter that it's not touching here. And then as long as this is front of the metal pieces, and that's the skeg has to be in front of the metal on each side. And then you take a tape measure, and you want to make sure that you have at least 1 7/8 inches your prop. So I've got 1.5 inches, and that's fine because I've got a 150 Mercury, and it's got the tilt and everything, and that's perfect. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drill this hole first, and then put the bolt through, and then I'll drill this hole and put the bolt through, and then there's another one under here, and then I can drill it, and then it'll be set. Alright, so we're going to use a 1/4 inch drill bit here, and you can use a 5/16 also, but they recommend the 1/4 inch. Alright, so we got our bolts here. It doesn't matter which side you put these through. They do stick out a little far, but I'm going to be trimming those off anyway. These bolts are, the nuts are a number 11 metric. Alright, so that's tight, and now we're going to drill the second hole before I remove this clamp. Okay. Alright. Now I can remove my clamp and get my third hole here drilled. There's number 3. I had a couple questions about this before I started drilling anything during my measuring, and I called customer service, and you are actually getting the owner of the company, and I asked him to FaceTime me to ask him a few questions, and he was fine with that. Great guy. So I'm going to send him this video as well. Maybe it'll help out somebody else. Tighten all these, and then we're going to tighten these here up also. And of course that bolts in the way. Okay. All right. So, like I said, I'll be grinding all these off, cutting these off as well. My measurement still the same, and just measure from this leading edge here to the 6 o'clock position, and you want at least an inch and 7/8, which I've got 2.5, which I'm good. Everything looks good. And I put this on my C-Pro. It's got a 150 Mercury Verada. And say Verado, not Verada. I've been doing some other work on it, but this is just a bay boat. And there we go. So I hope this was helpful for anybody. I said they don't care. You can call them, and don't call them at 2 o'clock in the morning, obviously. He told me that his busy days are on Mondays because he's getting a lot of phone calls, emails that he's answering. So he did get back to me when I called him. I called him here again, and he picked up right away. FaceTime me, answered my calls. Great guy. We're going to see how this performs on the water, and hopefully it'll do what it says it's going to do, and I'm sure it will. So until next time, hopefully this is helpful for everybody. Thanks.